Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. In this video, we explore the transformative power of higher consciousness and how it can lead to awakening the soul. Join us as we delve deep into the depths of the human experience and unlock the keys to living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Are you ready to unleash the power of higher consciousness? Let's begin. Understanding higher consciousness. At our core, we believe in the transformative power of embracing higher levels of awareness. Higher consciousness transcends the limitations of our everyday reality, connecting us to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. It's a state characterized by heightened intuition, inner peace, and a sense of interconnectedness with all living beings. The path to mastery. Techniques for awakening the soul. Meditation serves as the gateway to higher consciousness. By quieting the mind and turning inward, we create space for profound insights and spiritual growth. Mindfulness, on the other hand, allows us to live fully in the present moment, experiencing life without judgment or attachment. Self-reflection invites us to journey inward, exploring the depths of our souls and aligning with our highest potential. Expanding consciousness through connection. Another powerful way to expand consciousness is through connection. Connection with others, with nature, and with the universe. When we open our hearts to love and compassion, we dissolve the barriers of separation and tap into the interconnected web of existence. Whether through acts of kindness, communal gatherings, or simply spending time in nature, fostering connections can elevate our consciousness and deepen our sense of belonging in the world. Integrating spiritual practices into daily life. It's essential to integrate spiritual practices into our daily lives to maintain a heightened state of consciousness. This can include setting aside time for meditation and mindfulness each day, practicing gratitude, and engaging in acts of service. By infusing our routines with intention and presence, we anchor ourselves in the awareness of the divine within and around us, allowing our consciousness to expand and evolve continuously. Navigating challenges on the spiritual path. The journey of awakening the soul and mastering higher consciousness is not without its challenges. We may encounter resistance from the ego, face internal conflicts, or experience periods of doubt and uncertainty. However, these obstacles are opportunities for growth and transformation. By embracing them with courage and resilience, we deepen our understanding of ourselves and the universe, ultimately advancing on our spiritual path with greater clarity and conviction. The collective shift, impacting the world through consciousness. As more individuals awaken to higher consciousness, we contribute to a collective shift in human awareness. Our thoughts, words, and actions ripple out into the world, influencing the collective consciousness and shaping the reality we collectively experience. By embodying love, compassion, and mindfulness, we become catalysts for positive change, inspiring others to awaken to their true nature and co-create a more harmonious and compassionate world for all beings. The benefits of mastering higher consciousness. Embracing higher consciousness offers numerous benefits for our well-being, from enhanced intuition and creativity to greater resilience and inner peace. Awakening the soul unlocks our limitless potential. By transcending the limitations of the ego, we experience a profound sense of unity with all of creation. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and spiritual awakening. Until next time, may you continue to journey inward with courage, curiosity, and an open heart.